Through the National Conference on Economic, Social and Cultural Rights, we usually bring together different stakeholders, and the conversation is supposed to involve right from the ordinary person to policy makers, civil society actors, development partners, to be able to discuss an issue like this one of public services, such that afterwards people are able to follow up on some of the issues that have been discussed and be able to ensure that policymakers are putting in practice what has been discussed. Because for long, we have been seeing a decline in the quality of public services that we have in the country. But when COVID-19 came, this reality was brought more into the limelight. The fact that we critically needed these public services, but they were not strong enough.
So the purpose of this conference, therefore, was to chart a way forward, first of all, to somehow conduct an audit for the purposes of finding out what is happening on the ground. We need a more active citizenry. We need a citizenry that is empowered, that is able to demand for services. Besides COVID, we see that some of the challenges we face actually are somehow a result of the failure of an active citizenry that can actually demand for services. We have elected leaders who don't deliver. We have bureaucrats who indulge in abuse of office and diverting resources that would otherwise be used for the services.
One of the reasons as to why most of the government officials are corrupt is because they want to afford quality education and health services for their children. So I call upon the Prime Minister of Uganda to ensure that reclaiming public services is on top of her agenda, such as to reduce the corruption that we have in our country.